This is Basic Editing Tools. Hit G when an object is selected to move it freely, but you can tap G and then X to move only on an X-axis, G and Y to move only on the Y-axis, and tap G then Z to move only on the Z-axis. This applies to rotating as well. If you tap R and then X or Y or Z, you can rotate on that axis. These are basic object changes in what's called object mode, but we can switch to edit mode to make detailed changes to the object. You'll use the tab button to switch between the two modes. And up in the upper left-hand corner, there's a drop-down menu as well. The object appears differently now, and we can select and change individual parts of the object. This first one is Vertex Select, which are the little points. With a vertex selected, you can use the transform tools to move and change it on the axes as well as moving it freely. Here it is in the X and the Y and the Z constraints. If we go back up to the upper left, this is the edge select, which is the line between 2 points. And with an edge selected, you can use move, scale, and rotate on the different axes as well. And a quick reminder, you would tap R for rotate, G for move, and S for scale. If you wanted to do it on an axis, you would tap G for move and then tap either the X, the Y, or the Z. Here I am scaling an edge down. Now the last one is the face. With a face selected, you can use move, scale, and rotate freely as well as on each individual axis. There was free move. Here I tapped G and then X, Y, or Z to move it on its axis. But you can rotate faces as well. There's X. There's Y. And then there's Z. You don't want to twist so much that your faces overlap each other.